Now, outbreeding devices. In plants, to prevent self-pollination, some mechanisms have been adapted naturally. Okay, self-pollination ना हो, to avoid self-pollination. What are the adaptations or mechanisms plants have developed? First, the release of pollen grain, mature pollen grain release, and maturing of stigma are not synchronized. Synchronized means development is not occurring at the same time. Synchronization मतलब same timing. Either the pollen grains are matured early or the stigma are ready early. If pollen grains are matured early and stigma is not ready, it is not mature enough to receive the pollen grains. Pollen grains may reach stigma, but there will not be any pollen pistil interaction. No pollen germination will occur. So, no self-pollination can happen. Second mechanism is the position. Anther and stigma are placed at different position. Their position is such that the pollen grains of the anther of same flower cannot reach to the stigma of the same flower. So, in both these points, mechanism, this non-synchronization and the location, position, autogamy does not happen. Third mechanism is self-incompatibility. This is a genetic mechanism which prevents the pollen germination of the pollen of the same plant. Same plant, the flower may be different, but if the pollen from the same plant reaches the stigma, it will not allowed to germinate. Okay, so self-incompatibility. And fourth point is production of unisexual flowers. Unisexual flowers on the same plant will prevent autogamy. Unisexual, male part in different flower and female part in different flower. If unisexual flowers are present on the same plant, it means autogamy definitely will not occur. Geitonogamy may occur. But if the unisexual flowers are present on different plants, male flowers are present on one plant and all the female flowers are present on other, it will prevent autogamy and geitonogamy both. Okay. Now, another type of hybridization or crossing process is artificial hybridization or the artificial breeding. You know, scientists cross pollination, do some experiments to produce plants which have the desired result, which have the desired qualities. So, artificial breeding or artificial hybridization is the approach of crop improvement program which is done by humans to produce the desired hybrid plant. There are two main steps in artificial breeding. First is emasculation and the second is bagging. What is emasculation? Emasculation is removal of anthers from the flower buds of the bisexual flower before the anther dies. Okay, In bisexual flower, both male and female parts are present. So male part, the anthers, are removed before maturation so that pollen grains of the desired flower can be added to the stigma later. Okay. Second step is bagging. Covering of emasculated flower by a bag or butter paper of suitable size and material through which air can pass so that plant can have oxygen. It can breathe oxygen and carbon dioxide, but it prevents contamination of the stigma with unwanted pollen. The stigma is covered, the flower is covered. Now no pollen grain can reach it. Whenever the scientists want, they will open the bag and dust the pollen grains of their desired need. Okay. Now in unisexual flowers, when the male part and female part are present in different flowers, so there is no need of emasculation. We do not need to remove the anthers. Only the female flowers are covered. So only bagging is required so that female flowers doesn't get any pollen grains. Okay.